Yo. Alright. Now we set up all this shit here. Okay. Sweet. We are live. So, today, the plan is, like, most likely to short the market. We can see all of this long-standing liquidity down here. I think they want to fill down here. 2,000 contracts. I don't think that they'll bid this up anytime soon. We're in a intermediate short-term downtrend. So my bias is short. I'm looking for a reason to get short. Looking for any setup that I can get. And I want to bring it down to this 57 or this 85 area. Because both of these have been on the books all day. And if we back this out a bunch, we can see we couldn't even get, we went into this liquidity here, got filled, immediately started falling. So my money is on the downside. Trying to get this to where I like it. Where do I like it? Like right? Is that how I had it before? Dude, I actually have no idea. Alright, we'll go with right there. Let's check a bunch of other stocks, yeah? So what we got going here? Actually here. Actually no, I'm not gonna sweat shit over here. Netflix, free market, not really doing anything. What's Apple doing? Apple kind of grinding up. Oh, is Apple coming into earnings soon? Oh wow, look at that. This is a huge earnings week actually, isn't it? Dude, all the tech just failing. Yeah, on the short side, I think we have room to fall. Here, we'll get some technical analysis here. So, this is the daily chart. I think we have room to fall to 3,300. What are we looking like on the weekly chart for these? Yeah, man, I just do not like the long up here. I am looking for the short. Alright, yeah, I'm just waiting for the open, guys. Just kind of doing a bunch of technical analysis, looking at the charts, seeing what I like about the market today. Oh baby, ain't that some size? Right here. How much they slip in there? 400? Interesting. Yeah, man, I just cannot see this thing getting held up while we are. Well, you know what? It could get held up today, but I just don't see it. So, personally, I'm looking for a reason to get short. Alright. Uh, I just thought of something, man. I really hope that they get up here into this 3425 area. And then if they get their fill up here. Oh shoot, that's not what I meant. Where else could they go? They'd probably be at. We would have to gauge the reaction when they get their fill up here, but you know, if it's looking weak, like that's a beautiful short. Damn, dude, look at it try to be held up here. Okay. Well, this is one of our calculated levels too, right here. So, I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if it got held up here. I would not be surprised, but I will not be trading the long unless I see it. Recently, pretty much all the shorts have been working. And I'm going to get on the right side of the trend instead of trying to long dips. Holy hell, don't long dips. Alright, we're gonna open here soon. I don't trade during the first 30 minutes, so... Alright, there we go. So I will not be trading here. Although this is a really good test of the 9 EMA on the hourly on SPX. I might actually just have to take that, even though I'll rarely trade in the morning, but that's actually such a good trade right there. Hold on, let's look at the book map here, see what's up. Because it's also flying into one of our calculated levels too. Are we gonna get weak bids up here too? I mean, it looks like it, right? I might just load up a strike, you know, on the SPY. See if we can get a decent setup here. Oh, or if TOS is gonna be nice and actually work today. Yeah, man, I mean, this is a really nice setup on the hourly. Let's keep watching the bids. Yeah, we sure were weak up there. Alright, man, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, this is definitely one of our setups. You know, even though I rarely trade during the first 30 minutes of the day, but it was a short setup on off of the hourly. Okay, so we're closing the gap right now. This is definitely a good place for this to get held up. I doubt it will though. Let's see, it's just eating through that liquidity here. I want to take this down to 84. I think that that'll get tested. Okay, yeah, look at us just absolutely falling apart here. Good short, hell yeah. So we get some support here, some standing liquidity. It's not really, wasn't here all day, so. But look at that reaction to it. We did bounce off of it, so there are buyers here. But I'm gonna need to see this get filled in order to for it to go back up, or filled and then test the reaction at least. Okay, so look at these bids right here compared to up there. Okay, yeah. So this is actually not a bad spot to take this one contract off that I have. Okay, yeah. You know, we have one contract. I'm gonna take profits here. Alright, not a bad trade. And then the reason I'm taking profits there is just you can see the bids right here. There's a lot of buyers in here compared to up here. Now we could push through this, but I didn't want to risk it, especially only having one contract. Now we're just looking for the next best setup. Next best setup will probably come at top of the hour. Now, just because there's bids here does not make this a good long. I don't really like the long setup here. It's good. Good we took off that contract then. Look at the bid just stepping up here too. That's so wild to see. Like you could see all of this buying right here. You know, it just keeps being pushed up. I mean, I think it's just gonna disappear after they get their fill up here somewhere. So let's wait until we see them get their fill, because we know that this was some long-standing liquidity up here. So they could just be trying to drive price up to 34.10, get their fill, and then just delete the bid, get it all the way down. I don't know if they're trying to build a short position, but they could definitely just be trying to take profits from the huge bull run that we've had in the past several months. I think they're trying to take profits as much as they can because towards the end of the year, you know, let's say Biden gets elected, they want I think Biden wants to higher the tax rate on stocks or whatever. So I think they're trying to take as much profits as they can before the new election year here. Just my theory. Doesn't make it right, yeah. But like literally the same thing has been happening every single day where it's just like one green hourly candle push up, and this is on ES, one push up green hourly candle into immediately the entire like day we just sell off. So I think that that could happen again. But I'm just gonna watch the order flow, see what happens, see where the bids disappear. They're definitely still here for this too. Look at that, they're definitely still here. I could actually probably take a long here. I mean, if I wanted to like be a scalper, you know, but I don't really want to. Okay, look at them. Actually, they're skin eating through. Will this hold up here? Can they hold this up? Can they drive price to their actual fill up here at 40 or 34.10? Damn, we were just getting chewed through. Come on, guys, really? You're not gonna? Okay, there we go. I was gonna say, come on, you're not gonna shovel out trillions of dollars to hold this up? That's probably more like millions, but Last attempt to hold it up, and yeah, no. Yeah, bids kind of just disappeared there. This is where real buying is down here. They probably want that 84 fill. So until that happens, I'm not going to be long. Very interesting. Somebody is trying to buy here to hold this up. Will they make it work? This is just getting refreshed, 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 refreshed. Ooh, and they ran out of money. Okay. We're still waiting for this 84 too. Too long. I mean, personally, I probably won't even long when we get there. We just want to gauge the reaction, see what happens. Dude, refreshed again. What the hell? I mean, personally, oh, look at that. Okay, now they're shoveling out cash. Look at them go. There's the bid. Everyone buy, right? This actually would not be a bad longing spot. It's one of my setup. It's the 90 EMA on the 5 minute. Would not be a bad long spot. Ah, man, I just want to see this get filled down here, but some asshole could be front running them, trying to get their fill before them. So these guys have to move up their size, screw them over a little bit, you know, because they know that they're getting backed by this big order here. It just keeps getting refreshed too. Look at that, soak and refresh and push. Okay. Wouldn't be a bad long down here, would it? I'm not trading until top of the hour. First 30 minutes are gone. That's when I found my sweet spot is, when I make the most money, so. But down here, not a bad long. They are just refreshing, refreshing, refreshing right here, so. But I'm not going to do it. Not until the hourly shows me what's up. Alright. Yep, there it is. Nah, they're pitching it up a little bit. I mean, personally, I still feel that they really want this fill right here, and then they're just going to dump it. I mean, that's a complete and utter guess, but that is what I think is going to happen. refreshing it. They're not letting this fall. Look at that. And that's why I didn't short down there. Because of that bid refresh over and over and over. You know, and we could just fall here and eat through that liquidity, but I, I just couldn't take the chance on the short side there. You know, I'll take the chance on the short side up here after we get this big fill, but I'm not going to do it down here right in front of this this huge liquidity here. Why would I do that? Look at them. They moved this size up here. This size that was down here, they moved it up here, so they're driving the price up. They couldn't do it the first time. Let's see. They needed it. I think that they needed to run a couple stops here. Wonder if they like. Oh man, I need to get that study with the stop run here, cause you probably could have seen a bunch of stops here and then a push up, but I'll get that later actually, later today. Boom! Look at that size. Are we gonna eat through that? Anyone gonna buy this shit? Size that was down here is now right here. Will it hold up? Will it hold up? Let's see. Are they gonna refresh it and soak? Oh my god. It was just chewing through it. Oh, they're trying. The attempt to. Oh no. And it failed again. Damn. That sucks, because I want this fill up here. I don't think they just cannot hold this up, can they? Holy. Does anybody believe that? Anybody really believe that there's 300 contracts right here? No way. You guys gonna buy off that shit? You guys actually think that that's real? No way, dude. Nobody is buying that, right? Like, come on. There's no way anyone believes that this is real. Hold on. Oh, they moved up a little bit. Yeah. Nice 300 contracts, by the way. Nice 300 contracts, by the way. Wow, nothing can hold this shit up, dude. This is actually one of my longing spots here. This is actually like a setup I can take. Shit. I am not too sure that I want to. I mean, it's being held up here. They're not afraid to buy right here from what I'm seeing, just because of all this soaking and refreshing that's going on down here. But they always attempt to drive the price and it just fails. Oh, here we go. Here's some bids. Remember the last time we had bids here, though? Just looking to see how much liquidity actually was traded here. Interesting. 290. So they're slipping this 270 contracts right down there. See, that one actually could be real. I love when they like it goes up like hold on, we'll see it, might see it right here. Where they just throw in a random like 300 fucking contracts just immediately on the bid. It's like, dude, no one believes this shit, right? Get out of here, dude. Okay, there we go. There's some price driving. Hold on. Attempt to get it through there. They couldn't do it. Gonna attempt it again. Are we gonna buy? Ooh, they're slipping some size up there. The ask, it might be too strong. Whew, they just tried to buy. This guy said, nope, I want this fill at 84. This guy's he's probably slipping that size and so it just falls. Even like that shit there, it's like, does anybody think that this guy really will buy, like, sell 400 contracts here? I mean, I don't, but yeah, these guys here, I personally think that they're just looking to get their fill down here. Like, I think this is the same guy. I mean, I don't know that for sure, obviously, I know what he does, but could be. Oh, yep, see, look at, like that. I don't, yeah, like this is real here. Look at this tug of war. This is crazy, dude. Yep, see? He just drops it off. Like, dude, I don't even know why they do that. It's maybe it's to trick the algos. Maybe there's algos out there that recognize the large size on the ask and they'll just stop buying immediately or something. But like, there's no human out there that's like that sees that 400 contracts and is like, oh, that's real. Like somebody's gonna sell that there. Look at they just slip it under there again. This guy said, I want my fill, damn it. I doubt anyone believes that. Yeah, look at that. Ooh, look at that. 1,000, 1,300 contracts done right there. Now we just have to gauge the reaction. Does it go up or down? Let's see. Because this could be a soak on the ask. This could just not be buying. Okay. Bids showing up. This is an interesting spot. I don't know if I want to long or short this. Don't really want to short it until these bids disappear. These ones here. Until we start seeing like 80, 90 contracts here. But like right now, it just looks like we want to trade higher. But we attempted to... There was one attempt into here. Oh. Alright, that's one attempt. Yeah, not gonna lie, there's a lot of size here on the ask. But that doesn't mean immediately short. I mean, oh yeah, damn, dude, I should have been faster. I should have recognized that the bids were disappearing because they kind of were right there. This is just not the same stuff that we had a minute ago. Loading up some contracts here. Loading up some put contracts. If we can actually get the setup that I like, then I will take the short. But that needs to be like up here, up in this area. I need a test and fail of this area here. Or for this bid to disappear, because you can just see all this size down here. Like, there obviously somebody's buying or at least trying to drive price. Again, I think that the good short is up here, 34.10. 2 minutes until I can trade this. I'm only waiting for the close of an hourly candle. Yeah, oh, look at that. Where are the buyers, man? Okay, they're attempting to go up. They're just not attracting those buyers that we're used to seeing. That is very, very interesting. Okay. Get me the close of this candle here. I'm gonna scale in one contract. The close of this candle. I just do not see the bids. Yeah, just not seeing the bids here. 46. What the hell is that shit? 46 contracts on the bid? You're telling me that's gonna drive price? No, get the hell out of here, dude. So I'm attempting to short, but this could just hold up. Time could pass. They could attract more buyers easily. It's just this does not have to work, not even remotely. But if it does, and they can't hold this up, then this thing is going back to 84, and that's gonna be my price target. So I'm telling you right now, all these people have to do is hold this here for a long period of time. It'll attract more buyers. People will be willing to buy here. But this is also one of my setups too. It's a 9 EMA 9 EMA pullback on the short side on the hourly chart. So I am allowed to take this trade either way. And I'm only in one contract right now, so if I see the bid stack up, I do have to take this off. Or I have to take some profits, you know. I can't just hold this forever, hoping that we go down to 3,200 or what the. Yeah. Yeah, 3,200 by the end of the day. Okay, see here, now we're actually starting to see a little bit of a bid. Alright, we see some soaking here. But they're not attempting to hold it up anymore, so I do like that. I do like that. Okay, there's that bid that we were fearing. Did you guys see that 200 there? Yep, look at these buyers. They're finally coming in. Got this 140, 144 contracts. Again, all they have to do is hold it here, and we lose on this trade. All right. Longer they hold it, the more buyers will be confident in the move, and they'll start buying. So. And I can take this off fast too. I mean, this doesn't bother me, this trade here. There's only one contract to spy, so it is whatever. I'm not very confident in this short though. I am going to be very confident in this one up here. Okay, so there's the attempt to hold it here. 250 contracts being shown on the bid. They're just doing what they've been doing, attempting to drive this price up, attempting to hold it up, attract new buyers. See how we used to be getting like uh 80, 90 contracts here, and now that time is passed, and these people have actually held it up. Now they're getting 100, 300, 100. So that's just what they do there. So I'm going to take off this short if this holds up, which it is very likely to do. Very likely to do. In fact, this might actually be a good long up to here. We'll see. Okay, the big soak on the bid. Oh, they're trying. Oh, they couldn't do it. That's good for us. That's really good for us. Come on, don't refresh that. Come on, you bastard. There you go. Fall down. Nobody's buying this shit. Come on now. Don't lie to me. 400 contracts. Nobody actually wants to buy it. This is the real buying down here. Get the hell out of here, dude. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my god, they're refreshing it, you bastards. Oh wow, that's actually crazy. Look at that. And here I thought we were home free. Son of a bitch. Damn, they bought that up quick. Holy hell. Just when you think you've... Oh wow. Oh, that was the gap close. Okay. Now I understand. Oh, look at these buyers now. Dude, that was crazy. They immediately bought that up. And now they're gonna stack. Okay. Okay, purely based off order flow, I'm actually gonna take this short contract off. So I mean, I made $5 on it, whatever. And the reason is because they bought this up quick, and then they immediately tried to hold it. I think that we're gonna trade up to 40 or 34.10. So I don't like the short anymore. Till I see some weakness. I can definitely reshort it here. That wouldn't be bad. If this ends up holding up and then we see that all the bids disappear. But I mean, I made money on that contract, so it's whatever. It's not like I even really liked the short there. Much rather have it up here, the 34.10. Yeah, look at this. Yep, this is gonna. Yep, look at that. That's exactly what. That is what I was afraid of. That is why I took off the short, my friends. So, this, look at this shit. Huge soak on the ask. 1,500 contracts on the ask here. Can they attempt to push it through? They've been trying to drive price all morning down here. They needed one last stop. Uh, they needed one last, oh, what would you call that? Like, not really a stop run, but they wanted to get shorts, I guess, attracted to short sell this so they could immediately buy them up and push this higher. Okay, that's what they were doing here. So now, yep, they're gonna try to drive this up to 34.10 so they can get their fill. They're selling fill. I should have long, dude. I should. Oh, this is actually a really good long. Actually, can I even? But I don't have a setup here. Okay, I'm not gonna long this without a setup. Without at least a 5-minute setup or something. I'm not gonna just long this randomly. Why the hell would I do that? What the fuck are you thinking, Cooper? Although I do really like the long here. Maybe I can get a 5-minute setup. I'm actually gonna load up the strike. Let's load up the long. The call strike here. And we're seeing the bids now too. Okay, let's see. Can we get a 5-minute setup? So that's the close of the 5-minute candle here. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. Looking gonna do a book map. Okay, that's pretty strong. I'm gonna go for it. This could totally just pull back and screw me over, but I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna put in a very, very, very tight stop here, though. Only a $15 stop. I think we're gonna try to test this 34.10 though. There we go. Come on, baby. Break through that liquidity. Nobody is selling here. Come on, this isn't real. Just buy. Buy dips. Come on. Okay, so we couldn't break above that 5 minute like I wanted us to. This needs to hold up in order for us to make money on this, but I think that they're going to grind it back up here. Ooh, that ain't good. That's okay. Even if I get stopped out, it's like 15 bucks. Who cares? Alright, unlucky. Honestly, like, yeah, I might have got a little overzealous there. That was probably a mistake. I was feeling myself. Got a little too confident there. Ooh, definitely way too confident. Why am I longing too? Like, hello? Screaming short all day? Hello? Maybe I should have recognized this huge ask soak here. Yeah, that's my bad. That's my bad on that one. Should have done along there. I just got way too confident in my ability to read order flow. Holy hell. It's disgusting. What a traitor. So after that, I'm going to calm it down a little bit and not take a trade until 8 o'clock, until we close this hour. Just gonna step back, you know, kind of relax, wait for a setup. Alright, so a lot of stacking on the ask here. Very interesting stuff. Okay, cool, cool. So this held up here. 1,500 contracts on the ask. That was enough. Okay, I'm calm, cool, collected. I know I said I would wait until 8 o'clock, but if I get a good setup, I might have to take it. Definitely not right now. I'm not doing anything right now. Damn, the sentiment switched really quick though um from like, oh, we're gonna drive price, we're gonna drive price, we're gonna drive price until right here. But what a fill though, 1,500 contracts right on the ask. Okay, that's actually really interesting to see though. And then immediately, bid disappears, nobody's buying, everyone's on the ask, looking to ride this short wave all the way down. Very interesting stuff. Wow, man, that's actually wild to see. Immediately after I get this fill, they just dump it all. Like, where the hell's the bid? The bid was right here, dude. They're like, they don't care. Okay, now look at this. Look at this big soak. What, 1,500 on the bid here? Well, what happens after? Oh, yeah, fall even more? Okay. Interesting stuff here. Just being soaked, 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 soaked. I think it's going to break through this liquidity, personally. But I don't know. I really just do not know. Oh wow, look at that. Even more soaking. But I'm not going to long here, personally. I'm not longing until... Oh man, I don't even know. Yeah, man, I'm not longing until I see some like fundamental change in the price action because we are just running through all of the bids. So I want to short. Look, we fell through this. We couldn't get held up here. I don't think anything's gonna save this until oh, excuse me. Oh damn. Until the big 57 here. That's what I'm waiting for. Jeez, I might be catching cold or something. I'll be back. Holy hell. See, I need a short setup in order to get short. If we can, like, retest something or some shit, like, I'm not just gonna get short randomly here. We do have a 30-minute setup kind of setting up here. Maybe we could take a short off that. I want that perfect sweet spot. Yeah, like right here. That's perfect. Some big size being held up here. Look at this. 400. 400. Jeez, man. They slipped this 500 in there. But do I believe in the long? I just, I do not, no, not really, honestly. Although this is a really good place for it to get held up. I mean, even in my calculations, you know, from where we are on the chart, could this is actually a pretty good spot to be for it to be held up. Even like um yeah, even in like the bigger picture almost. But I don't, I don't see until I see some fundamental difference in like the price action. I'm just gonna sell pops like or short pops every time now. Longs just are not working right now. And that is okay because we can make money on the short side. But I want this 30-minute setup. That's what we're gonna look for here. We're gonna scale in. Oh wait, what the hell? Why do I have this? I have the damn wrong thing set up here. Oh shit, that ain't good. Get in here quick. Oh my god, it's a call again? Hello? Wait, get the puts. Oh dude, this sucks. I'm gonna get a horrible price now, aren't I? This is actually my setup too. Okay. Well, we're gonna attempt one buy there. Okay, it's not a horrible fill, right? Personally, I'd actually like this to go up a little bit more so I can get another contract on. Oh, it doesn't want to. Oh well, that's okay. So now that we're in the short, now we're just gonna read the order flow to see what we're looking at here. I do have a price target in my head, and it's that very low liquidity down there, 57. Like I said before, though, not a bad spot for it to get held up. Alright, this is good. Allow me to get another contract on. Perfect. Want to see the bids kind of disappear. It's looking like it's going to be right here. Right to the 90 man on the 5. Okay, yeah, I like that. Ah, that was a shitty fill. Oh well. Alright, we put our stop in place. Hope for the best. Bids are definitely stepping up here, right? This is not like... Yeah, this could totally just hold up here. What we want to see is either a lot of soaking on the ask, or we want to see a decrease in the bid here. So we got 100, 100, 100, 100. We want like 80, 90, maybe like 70 on the bid here. But let's see. Ugh, look at them. Look at them slip that size in there. I mean, every time they do that, it makes me think that it's gonna fall more. When they're like, oh, trust me, this is real. Oh, hold on. Big buy attempts here. Damn, that's not good for our puts, I'll tell you what. Either way, it's fine. We went for the 30-minute setup. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Look at those bids. This would actually be my really good short area. It's like the 15-minute setup. Oh my god, look at that selling. Nothing. Oh, we're gonna need more selling than that if this is gonna go down. Holy. We're gonna need a little bit more selling than that. Oh wow, this buying is just insane. Man, I doubt this is gonna crack below, but we'll figure it out here soon. Loading up some call contracts actually, just in case this selling doesn't get too bad. Okay, there we go. There's some more selling. It's kind of a very interesting like attempt to go lower. I just don't know if I can see it. Yeah. Might even reduce risk a little bit here. Okay, reduce the risk just a bit. I honestly doubt this is gonna go lower. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. It's just the selling. It's just the selling. It wasn't great. It wasn't good enough. Plus, look at all this damn buying. All this soaking. That's incredible. I might even take this contract off, honestly. I don't like the short whatsoever now. And we'll see. Screw it, man. I'll just put it. Stop. 20 cents. Stops at 20 cents. If we go lower, we go lower. If we don't, we don't. That's all you can really do. I don't think we'll go lower, though. And the reason is, this selling is a lot, but we just got this like very, very light selling here, so that means if we hold it up, then we're gonna eventually trade up. And that's kind of what I'm thinking here. So reduce my risk on the short side. I'm not gonna lie, I took a call position down in here too. Okay, there we go. This is probably gonna stop me out on the short side. It stopped out on the short. So now we just have the call position. We're gonna attempt to read the price action to take this off. I do have a sell target in mind, and that is that 34.10. 34.10 on ES is my sell target for the long. I am just absolutely loving this Bookmap though, dude. This is just too fun. Ooh, look at that. This call going stupid right now, bro. This call. Come on, baby. Close, dude. If we can close this candle green, oh my lord, it's over. Yep, so they just needed that fill. They just needed that fill to drive price. Okay, I'm liking it. I might even hold this shit for a while now. Yeah, look at them attempt to hold this up too. This shit is going to 34.10. I mean, I don't know for sure, right? But we're hoping. Hey, this is a crazy run up, baby. What the hell was that? Oh, TOS giving me an alert. What the? Jesus Christ, it scared the hell out of me. Alright, we're actually gonna put our stop, not break even, but 10 cents below our entry. We're just gonna let this sucker ride. If we can break the 9 EMA on the hourly, then oh man, this is gonna be such a good trade. If that happens, you know, I'm not gonna be hopeful of anything. We could just see the bids disappear and us fall like we've just been doing every single day, but I'm still, you know, thinking positive in this trade. Look at that. Bids kind of disappearing here. At least on the immediate ask, we still got this support level here. We still got these here. I think we trade up personally. I think we got the fill and now we want to trade all the way up to 34.10. So I'm not selling this damn contract until I see either big signs of weakness or we get to 34.10. But I'll sit here and watch this all day, you know. Probably needs to open up a new hour before we get a breakup candle. Bids kind of disappearing there. We need to see the bid come in here. Nope. We're just getting chewed up, aren't we? We need something to say. There's a little bit of a refresh there. A little bit of refreshing here. Look at it attempt. I'm just gonna wait for this to hit my stop. I still like this trade. Whew. My God. Alright, this is incredible. I'm probably gonna... Yeah, they got me. I want to put my stop only about 4 cents. This is the thing about one contract, it kind of sucks. Can't take profits here. You're at the mercy of the market. I don't really like that. I think I should start taking 2 contracts, like, no matter what. You know, waiting for those really good trades. Alright, there we go. There's the bids. They're back. Well, here's the deal. I got my stop in place. I think I'm just gonna, get away from the screen, just wait for that 3410 to hit, because I don't want to fuck with this anymore. I don't want to accidentally, stop out of this here. I'm going for that 3410 fill, and it's pretty much that or nothing. I don't want to get stopped out by random ass price action, so I'm just gonna put my stop 10 cents again. Not gonna move it. Yep, I'm not gonna move it. I don't care. Stop me out, market. Alright, yeah. I'll be right back. Alright, just checked, got stopped out. What is this? Yeah, we got a new hourly candle here. Interesting. See, we're still not seeing that like big selling that we were earlier. Is the thing.